I survived countless diet fads and gym memberships that promised results but left me frustrated. I spent weeks researching effective ways to burn belly fat until I found a set of targeted exercises that truly made a difference. I saved myself from overcomplicated routines by focusing on simple yet powerful moves like Russian twists, reverse crunches, and plank variations. Incorporating these into a 20-minute daily routine, I found them easy to stick with and incredibly effective. I built a habit of working out consistently, and I got noticeable results faster than I anticipated. My belly fat began to shrink, and I felt stronger and more confident. Mentally, I felt more focused and energized, which was a huge boost to my overall well-being. Facing challenges, such as fitting workouts into a busy schedule, was tough, but tracking progress helped keep me motivated. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the fitness tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Embrace these exercises and commit to a routine. With dedication and the right approach, you'll see your body transform and feel the benefits both physically and mentally. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now if you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues. Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description.